subsequently Supreme Court upholding the High Court judgment. The Chief Minister सांगलें की ती कितें तरी चूक जाली आसतली म्हणून DMA लेवलाचेर. म्हणजे एक्चुअली पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार आमचो मुख्यमंत्री ते पिटिशन फायल केले त्याचे पयलीं न्हिदलेलो. जशें कुंभकर्ण खूब न्हिदता, कुंभकर्णाची न्हीद. सो आमचो मुख्यमंत्री त्या हेतून गेल्लो आनी ताणें तें स्टेटमेंट केलें की खंयच्याय हायकोर्ट मॅटरा वयचे पयलीं नोटीस धाडटात. हायकोर्टान नोटीस सर्व केली आसतली, हायकोर्टान तेजें हियरींग जालें आनी तें हियरींग एक दिसान काबार जालें ना, चालू उरलें. तरी पूण आमगे मुख्यमंत्री न्हिदोन रावलो. हायकोर्टान ऑर्डर दिली तरी मुख्यमंत्र्याक खबर ना, मुख्यमंत्री न्हिदोन रावलो. तेजे नंतर मॅटर सुप्रीम कोर्टान गेले, सुप्रीम कोर्टान नोटीस सर्व जाल्यो, मुख्यमंत्री न्हिदोन रावलो. तेजे नंतर सुप्रीम कोर्टान मॅटर स्टार्ट जालें, मुख्यमंत्री न्हिदोन रावलो. तेजे नंतर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर जाली. तेजे नंतर तेणी मुख्यमंत्र्याक उठोवपाक खूब प्रयत्न केले, ढोल ताशे हाडले, बॉम्ब लायले आनी सगळे जसो गडाक उठयलो त्या भशेन मुख्यमंत्र्याक उठयलो आनी मुख्यमंत्री झुक करून जागो जालो आनी जागो जातना तेणें सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर वाचली. आनी तेन्ना आमच्या न्हिदलेल्या मुख्यमंत्र्याक कळ्ळें की ही एक चूक जाल्या. म्हणजे अशे तरेचो सरकार चलता. तेजे नंतर आमी सांगलें ह्या हेजेर आमचे एडवोकेट कार्लोस रायट फ्रॉम द बिगिनींग जेन्ना नोबडी थॉट ऑफ दीस, he anticipated it in the month of September, and we have served the notices to the State Election Commission. जेन्ना रिजर्वेशन करचें त्या रिजर्वेशनाच्या बाबतीन आनी डिलिमिटेशनाच्या बाबतीन ती वेल इन एडवान्स करचें आनी ट्रान्सपरन्सी आसची, ह्या हेजेर क्लियर आमी लेटर आमी हँडओवर केल्लें. आनी सबसिक्वंटली Advocate Carlos was continuously following this matter, sending the notice, everything was done. And in this matter also, in the High Court also, he has played a key role. Then in the Supreme Court also, everyone knows it, what role he has played. And subsequently, he had also announced it in media, we also had announced in the media, that if state government fails to act against the Supreme Court order, especially the strictures that were passed on the various officers, including the law secretary and the State Election Commission, which unfortunately is the same person for the purpose of manipulation. आणि ह्या हितून कश्यो इलिगलिटीज एक IAS ऑफिसर चोकाराम गर्ग, आमकां लज दिसता एक्चुअली, वी आर अशेम्ड टू कॉल हिम द IAS ऑफिसर. is unfit to be called as IAS officer. आणि तेणें एक IAS फ्रेटर्निटी आसा तांकां लज केल्या ह्या हेणें, कारण तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोटेक्ट करपाचे अधिकार तांकां आसले. तेणी सोपूत घेतल्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचेर की आमी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोटेक्ट करतलो म्हणून. आनी जे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आसतात तांकां ज्ञान नासता कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचें. कदाचित आमच्या मुख्यमंत्र्याक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचें ज्ञान आसपाक ना आनी त्या खातीर IAS ऑफिसरांची नेमणूक जाता की तेणी गायड करप. So as a law secretary, it was his duty to guide and enlighten our chief minister, who may not aware of what is the constitutional provision. Assume that our chief minister is dumb and does not know what is the constitution. So whose duty it was? It was the duty of the law secretary to guide him. Or as a law secretary, he may do some mistake, but as a state election commission, which is the autonomous body, he should have corrected his earlier mistake. So he had actually an opportunity. But as a IAS officer, he has failed. तो सरकाराच्या दबावाचेर येयलो आनी म्हाका दिसता जे स्ट्रिक्चर हेजेर पास जाल्यात खंयच्याच ऑफिसरान आनी स्पेशली IAS ऑफिसरान तोताराम जावचो न्ही. खंयच्याच IAS ऑफिसरान तोताराम जावचो न्ही. IAS ऑफिसराचे एक्सपेक्टेशन आसा देशान, तेजे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बांधिलकी आसा ती आपळ. आनी आमी सांगलेलें की जर एक्शन घेयनात जाल्यार असले तोतारामाचेर आमी कंप्लेन करतले. आनीक आयज आमी युनियन होम मिनिस्ट्रीचे होम सेक्रेटरी आनीक गोंयचे चीफ सेक्रेटरी हाचे कडेन आमी रितसर कंप्लेन केल्ली आसा आनी एक कंप्लेनीक आमी जे स्ट्रिक्चर जे पास केल्यात वेगळे वेगळे आनी खंय हो IAS चोकाराम गर्ग IAS ऑफिसर ऑफ 2008 बॅच हो खंय फेल जाला हो कसो फेल जाला त्या ऑर्डरींग ते बरयल्ले आसा. सो ह्या हेजेर ह्या स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान अजून कांयच तेजेर एक्शन घेवना एक्चुअली. सो वी आर पुट कंप्लेन नाव इन रायटींग, कारण जे ऑर्डर जर वाचले जाल्यार हें करना, हांव तितून डिटेल वचना, आमचे दोतोर सांगतले. पूण आमी तितून बेजिकली 3 डिमांड केल्यात. एक डिमांड म्हणजे स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान तांकां इमिजिएटली रिलीव करचो एज अ लॉ सेक्रेटरी, बिकॉज ही इज अनफीट and it is approved by High Court as well as the Supreme Court. त्याच्या नंतर आम्ही डिमांड करतात मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेअर्स टू सस्पेंड हिम, टू सस्पेंड श्री चोकाराम गर्ग, बिकॉज ही इज फाउंड टू बी इंडल्जिंग इन अ करप्ट प्रॅक्टीस आनी तेजेर इन्क्वायरी जावची. आनीक तेणें जर ह्या हितून तेजे डिसप्रोपोर्शन ऑफ एसेट्स असले जाल्यार इन्क्वायरी करून जाल्यार ताका तेजेर इमिजिएटली एक्शन घेवची. आनी आमचो तिसरो डिमांड आसा, ही इज लायबल टू कंपेन्सेट फॉर ऑल द एक्सपेन्सीस इनकर्ड ऑन द स्टेट एक्चेकर ड्यू टू हाय हँडेडनेस अँड इल्लिगल एक्शन्स इन्क्लुडींग डिरिलेशन ऑफ द मॅन्डेटेड ड्युटीज. सो ह्यो 3 हे आमी डिमांड केल्ले आसा. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता आमचे दोतोर जेणे हायकोर्टाक आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक दोनी कडेन आमकां हेल्प केल्ले आसा.
Before I address that on the complaint which has been made, there is one thing which is very important and very disturbing, which I would like to also address the press on this point in connection with the same municipalities issue. Supreme Court and stay dillo त्यांना तो stay of High Court judgment. आमचे मुख्यमंत्रीन स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो प्रेसार, डेमोक्रेसी हॅज बीन रिस्टोर्ड. यू आर अ चीफ मिनिस्टर, यू आर अ क्वालिफाइड एमिनेंट डॉक्टर, you know the theory of the doctrine of separation of powers. What kind of language are you using? You should know to respect a constitutional body, you should know to respect the courts, and using phrases that democracy has been restored inspires distrust in the minds of the people and creates a sense of insecurity to our justice and judiciary system. This is something, according to me, is contemptuous, and this is completely wrong. Democracy is restored म्हणल्यार तूं कांय High Court and democracy fail केल्ली आनी Supreme Court and temporary stay देखून democracy restored. This reminds me, in Adolf Hitler's time, there was a minister for propaganda called Goebbels. तूं 40 मार, 40 रिपीट कर, 10 पाटी रिपीट कर. ते मागीर सगळे म्हटले, सगळे उलयताय, सगळे सांगतात, देखून ते खरे आसतले. This is the way you are trying to disseminate wrong information, wrong constitutional notions, and I think action needs to be taken at the highest level. Because now we see in the complaint that which we have made, after the High Court wrapped the state government, the state went to the Supreme Court. And there was a lot of song and dance when the Supreme Court gave stay. What happened afterwards? The Supreme Court wrapped the state government, wrapped the state election commissioner, and even showed how the election commissioner, that is the law secretary functioning as the state election commissioner, tried to overreach the High Court. And in the next paragraph shows that after the stay was granted, the state election commissioner even changed the election schedule, which Supreme Court itself had not done. So according to us, this is completely, he is the highest law officer of the state. Please look at this. I can understand a junior officer makes a mistake. He can even be forgiven. A highest law officer of the state, a law secretary, can he be fit to hold that post of a law secretary? If such man is going to guide the state in the wrong path of the law, I don't think he should even sit for a moment as a law secretary or even as an IAS officer. And that is what we have made a demand, that he has brought shame on his IAS fraternity. I don't think anywhere in this country we would have such type of a situation where when he was asked to band, he crawled and he came like the altar boy to flash that notification before the High Court, which was rightly rejected by High Court and the Supreme Court. And it came down heavily on him. So what we are made a representation, and that's what is being submitted to the Home Ministry and to the Chief Secretary, relieve him from this post. We can't have such type of people misguiding the government, misguiding any other government, and these people, the best place for them is sending them home.
If you have any questions.
He was given charge, additional charge, so he has resigned. In fact, the Supreme Court itself said directly in that order that that the state should take steps immediately to appoint a fresh. So he had to go.
So my question technically, you was secretary to government. You was that all portfolios were taken from him, whatever department were given to him, and he was appointed as a full-fledged state election commission. So only government can withdraw him.
No, he was not was he withdrawn from other this thing? He continued to be law secretary. No, you are talking of R.K. Srivastav who fled away.
His portfolios were allocated to another law and art and culture.
But then he continues to be a government servant.
He continues to be a government.
So you can't be a government servant.
That is okay, but can you resign? State or government has to withdraw him as state election commission.
If he it's when you are appointed, somebody appoints you. There is an option of you resigning, or the one who appoints you terminating you or
So
withdrawing.
he has resigned as state.
He has resigned. So either way it could be.
बेसिकली आन्सर इश्यू असतो की आयज कितें जाल्यार IAS ऑफिसर आनी जे क्लास 1 ऑफिसर सगळे असतात ते गव्हर्मेंटाक सरेंडर जातात. सो ह्या कंप्लेनी फाटल्यान एक हेतू म्हणजे जे बाकीचे ऑफिसर आसात तांकांय बी अलर्ट रावपा जाय की वी आर हियर, वील नॉट अलाव यू टू डू एनी इलिगलिटीज जस्ट टू प्लीज द गव्हर्मेंट and also indulge in corruption, that we can complain against you and we'll see that these such officers are punished.
You said that other portfolios of his were removed. I don't know by what order, because we are annexing here the website of the government of Goa, taken now, which shows that he has art and culture, skill development and entrepreneurship, archaeology, archives, cooperation, law, judiciary and legislative affairs.
This is a recent one.
Today, this screenshot taken today, because we prepared this today. So if he still continues, that is why that word is, he is holding additional charge. Had he ceased to be a law secretary, he should resign. You see, there are sometimes some officers who, if they know, even certain High Court judges, we have seen that when they have one more year to retire, they're getting some offer which would be like they can consider another 5 years, they can sit in some good position. They resign and they go. If he felt that he was happy here, he could have resigned and he could have taken this post. But you can't do this dual role here.
So what will raise this if Home Ministry do not act for your complaint?
See, we will work out a modality by which we will put pressure on the government of India. Because remember, in law, we can't demand his termination. Court will also not give anyone's termination. But when we find these defaults and we find this and we stack up all the things, then we can demand that he should be removed and action should be taken against him. See, and you know one thing, peculiarity about IAS officers posted in Goa, because they are in that AGMU cadre. Government of Goa has no control over them except to post them in the posts which are designated for IAS officers. Government of Goa has absolutely no power even to suspend them. So it is only with MHA. That is why it has to go only through MHA.
So you will be petitioning the Supreme Court of
No, we are petitioning. See, unless we first make a demand to the authorities to take action, and they take action or fail to take action, we can't move to the next step. So we have to first make that demand so that we can get something out of it. If they give us a justified thing, if they demote him, if you see, they punish him with some stoppage of increment or maybe something like that, or they send him into some what they call hard posting, then I think many things can be met.